Anytime I'd get close to finding my brother, it'd slip through my fingers. If I'd only... Damn it, Williams. Slow it down. Feel the weight of the gun. Line up the sights. Stop thinking and shoot.
The drive downloading Jackson's video was gone. And so were you.
I'll explain later. All that matters is, I think I can help you. I help you find your family, you help me find mine.
Okay. I can live with those terms. We're partners. He made his choices. I just don't know how I'm supposed to live with him. Maybe it's not him.
The body matches Jackson's age, height, weight, even blood type. And it had his dog tags. I should have found the records sooner, but Solis morgues are... well, morgues on Solis. No regulations, no protocols. And he was found more than 5 years ago, but was just filed as unclaimed.
I need to see him.
Anita, unclaimed bodies on Solis, they bury after 2 weeks. I'm sorry, but they lost the records of where in a fire 3 years ago.
What? Oh, Jackie. Jackie.
I'm so sorry, Anita.
Get ready for a light show. I know Jackie cheated. Knocked my elbow on my last shot, and beat me by 1. I can still see him. Smiling without smiling. Hands up like I was gonna put an arrow in him. And I was. Hope you're watching, Jackie. 'Cause I'm about to beat you.
I have a 406T on the outer hull in airlock Bravo. Engaged. I repeat, engaged.
A 406? That's a...
Damn it, Nita, get the hell away from the...
Jackson! Just hold on!
I can't. I need a grip, but I can't hold on.
Hold on to me! No! Jackson!
This is where you say, "You did all right, Nita. By my measure, you always do." Thanks, brother. And goodbye.
Come on, just a bite. I promised I use sugar and not salt this time.
I said I'm not hungry, Jackie.
Nita, what's going on?
It reminds me of Grandma too much. Of home. And you're acting like you don't care that we'll never see them again. Like you forgot them already.
No, listen, Nita. Letting go of something doesn't mean losing it. You know, when I taste this cake, I see the mole above Grandma's left eyebrow. I smell the chocolate chips she hid in her apron pocket. I hear the rasp in her laugh. Her real laugh. You know the one. Hey, listen, I know I won't see her again, but I know I'll never forget her. Because she's a part of me.
I can't, Jackie. I won't let go. Grandma used to say, you can't prepare for the unpreparable. You just gotta listen to your heart. But my heart got me into this damn mess, Nana. So, I do what I do when I don't know what to do. I shoot.
Sweet Anita, let a girl buy you dinner before going all Mama Bear on her.
Follow protocol and I may let you.
Oh, careful, Sergeant. I think you just agreed to a date.
Girl, you better check that at the door. Loba and I, we're just friends. Broken. I can't expect Loba to help me. Only family can do that. The only family I got left.
You want my advice? This is a joke, right? Gridiron's 20 years away and you hate flying.
I'm not playing, Lo. With stuff that's happened, there's nothing left for me here. And someone offered me a ride.
Who? Pathfinder's cousin or whatever he's looking for now?
No, Revenant.
El Demonio? He's going to find his head. And you're leaving with him? You want my advice? Here it is. In the hospital on Olympus, I heard you say you and I were just friends. But you were wrong. We were never just friends. And we never will be. So leave. Because you're right. There is nothing for you here.
I didn't... Wait. You were eavesdropping on me?
I was coming to see you to...
Things worked out better for you, though. Didn't they?
You think you know what is best for everyone. But you don't. Not even for yourself. Farewell, Sergeant Williams. Out of my way.
Little soul search over. Are you coming or not, girlie?
Yeah. Let's go. Never thought I'd be doing a Williams send-off again. But I figured I should, because I'm shipping out. And it's what we do. But it ain't gonna be a song. No dancing, no red velvet cake. Because this is a funeral, and I don't have the footage from your first send-off to watch, so this'll have to do. All these years without a family, I never felt lonely. So long as I kept hoping you were out there, brother. Annoying people, knocking their elbows before a shot, making them feel better. Only thing I know is, you belonged out here. Felt you were needed. Felt a way I couldn't. And never will. So, this last one's for you, Jackie. For your last assignment. You don't need to find your way home. 'Cause you're already there.